In my last YouTube video, you may have noticed that I have this short ram intake installed. And while having an aftermarket intake is cool and all, you want it to be functional. Now that it's summertime, the ambient air temperatures have gone up a lot more, which means the under the hood temperatures have gone up significantly more, which is not good for power. So today we're going to be installing a cold air intake. It's even carbon fiber. Thankfully, this is a super easy install, so this shouldn't be too long of a video. We're just going to throw this in, get some sound clips, compare the before and the after, and you guys can tell me what you think. Let's get to this install. First, we're going to start by removing the intake, or the filter, I guess. Oh, that just hit my phone. Nice. Now with the wheel turned, I'm just going to unbolt the factory horn, which just has one 13mm, I believe. And then the intake cone will basically just sit right here. Move that. Try to sneak this fucking intake in. Just try to get it routed up here. Take the cone off. Squeeze it from the top, maybe. I mean, it's on. It's there. I would say it just needs to go down like an inch more, but I might need to cut. You know what I'm saying? It still looks sick as hell. Pray for my camera, guys. It's mounted on the outside of my car. We are putting some ethanol-free gas in the hog because last time I tried ethanol-free, low-key, the gas lasted a lot longer. Hella placebo, who knows, but she hogging. It's low-key not that much more expensive though. $5.15 versus, oh, clock that. It's literally cheaper. How's that possible? $5.19 for 10% ethanol. And look at that, we are full. So now we're just gonna do a few driving clips and get the audio for the before. There probably won't be that much of a sound difference because I already have a cone filter on it. It would if it was like a stock airbox, but it's not a stock airbox, so. What's up, guys? So yesterday went ahead and installed this intake, but I wasn't able to get it pushed down all the way, so we're just gonna pull the headlight out a little bit, fish it through, get it to look nice, and hopefully it fits and everything works out fine. I've been wanting to get more like cinematic shots, which is why I installed it in that parking lot, but sometimes you need tools. Please don't fall. I don't know how the headlight's gonna fit back in here, guys. So many wires and shit that like it's so hard to see what's hitting, bro. Alright, guys, it took me like 40 freaking years and freaking up my wrap, but the headlight is back in. Plastic headlights, easy peasy. Euro headlights, you're cooked. Especially when I'm trying to add stuff to this area. No bueno. Lost another screw. Where'd it go? Where'd it go? Last screw, where'd it go? Big question. Where'd my last screw go? Oh, I found it. Now I just gotta figure out these cables. Cable management time. If it's even possible to manage these. Holy moly. So much wires. So I've got all of these. Not being used, but not being used. I don't even know what this is. This is just cut. I don't feel like getting up to get the snips, so we're just gonna use the bolt cutters. And then just kind of shoving this on the side. To be fair, it looks a lot better than it did before. This is a factory zip tie mounting spot. Huzzah. Honestly, like, if I didn't have this ballast, whatever, HIDs, it would look pretty clean right here. Like, yeah, these wires look bad, but this is clean upable. This, I literally just don't know what to do. Like, I can shove it back here, but it just, either way, it just doesn't look clean, and it's, like, bright red, bro. Like, does it have to be bright red? Hell yeah. Don't get me wrong, this shit's still clapped, but it looks a lot better. That's gonna be the end of this video. Thank you for watching. If you like this type of content, make sure to subscribe, make sure to leave a comment, make sure to like this video, and check out all my links in the description. I think the E36 sounds a lot better. It sounds louder, sounds fuller, just overall sounds a lot better, so.